Hi, what's going on, everyone? Today's the 28th of August, 2023. Here to talk real quick about Cosmos or Atom, about the price. You guys can see already in front of you, the market has gone down since I did my last video in Atom. You guys can tell that I was looking for the price to go higher. I wasn't drastically bullish, which kind of played out exactly the way we expected. The market in Atom or Cosmos actually ran into like $12.90. My ultimate TP price around $12.50. That is 8.66% profit right there. So congratulations who's able to grab the bag during that time period. Obviously you all can tell that nothing has changed in terms of direction since we did that video. And don't forget, that was in April the 13th, 2023 when we did that video. You guys can see that the trend in Atom is to the downside. So currently, when you see where price currently resides in Atom, we're currently hitting an area of low right there around $5.75. Is this going to be the bottom? Or will the market in Atom continue to drift lower to prices that we haven't seen since like 3 years ago? Those are all things we need to contemplate and think about right now into the market in Atom, because right here, the price in Atom did not sustain support, which we would have loved to have seen happen. But hey, if the market doesn't want to hold price at a certain price, then who are we to say it should have? There wasn't buyers in the market in Atom on this last move to the downside, which began on August the 14th, 2023. This just merely confirms that the price trend is definitely still intact. It's still a strong move to the downside. So we cannot be bullish in the market in Atom until we see this market price break this downtrend. Okay, so let's look at Atom real quick on the 2-day chart. Here it is. You guys can really see on the 2-day time frame there hasn't been anything in terms of market strength except for this 2-day price bar. It's lonely 2-day price bar right there. That still tells us that the majority of the price action that has gone on in Atom has been more selling than there were buyers. Take a look on the 5-day chart. Here it is on the weekly. So I really want to reiterate how important it's going to be for us to see buyers right here to where the market currently hit the low on this weekly price bar. We need to see that. If it doesn't hold, then we need to contemplate and say that Atom is still weak. Look at this on the 2-weekly chart. Like these 2-weekly price bars, it's just massively weak. We're not seeing no one come in and participate in this cryptocurrency right now outside of them trying to sell and get up off their bag. The 2-weekly chart is definitely weak. Here it is on the 3-weekly. Look at this on the 5. Okay. So this would be one area that we need to see Atom come and hold support. If it doesn't want to hold support on the low of this 5-weekly price bar right there. Okay. 3 more days to conclude the month of August, and we're still seeing that there's no lack of interest of buyers coming to the market in Atom. Here it is on the 330-minute chart. I'm just going through this real quick for you all so you all can see how the market is faring and trading. I could definitely tell that the market initially is trying to find buyers right now. Okay, so depending on your time preference, this could actually be a momentary move to the upside. I get it. We've been seeing the market just go down continually day in and day out. We will see a couple of days, couple of hours to where the market wants to trend up. This doesn't mean it's time for you to go all in and be bullish and say yes, the market is ready to rally in Atom. Okay, so take a look at that. So from a longer term perspective, since I don't do this video or price predictions on an hourly basis, on a daily basis for this platform, we have to view the market in Atom on a 2-weekly chart, which I will, and the market definitely is weak. Okay, now I'm going to drop 2 targets. My first one is to the low, which is literally right now where price already hit in Atom. This is going to be crucial for the market to hold $7. If it doesn't, my next target will have to be like $6.50, and then my third target would be $5.50. So like dollar increments. So let me put these lines here because I want to show you where those areas are at on the daily chart. And then let's go ahead and do another one. For the third target. All right, so let's go ahead and put this on the chart real quick. So my first target is going to be right here, which is 1 3/4%. Like I'm cool with that. If I definitely can see buyers hold price here, I'm cool with the market holding $7 because I can see what happened the last time the market came down and hit that level. We need to see it again. Sad part is that we're not really seeing a collapse in price. We saw a massive drop on that particular day. We're coming back to this level again, but we're not seeing that massive drop. So that's my first target. And here's my second target, $6.50. Okay. And then my third target, which is, it may be a while for the market to, even if it does come all the way down here to 550, which is like 22, almost 23% move to the downside there. Okay. And we're going to be weak into the market in Atom until price either breaks this downtrend line, which I mentioned earlier, or we see the market break above $8.25. Okay. So that is it. I am finished. Hit the like button, share the video, also subscribe here to the channel. Get more of the simplistic content as to where price is going to go and our estimation in a game of probabilities. Join me. Make sure you maintain profitability, and as always, trade different.